Once you get to this screen, go ahead and click on Screencastify and Add to Chrome. When it's finished loading, you should see the icon up here in your toolbar. If not, you can look at this puzzle piece, and when you click on that, you should see Screencastify. So once you click on it, it will ask you to sign in. You can sign in using your Google account. You can see there's quite a bit you have to click through this first time, but that shouldn't keep happening after. So you can select teacher. You can also select student. It shouldn't make a big difference. All right. So this page, you don't really need to do much. From now on, you can just use the actual extension. So when I click back on this again, it should open this menu. If you see a button that says sign in, you'll have to sign in again. But if you do it right away, like I just did, you can see I have 10 free videos to record. So you can record a particular tab. I recommend you record the full screen whenever you're recording, just in case there's something off this tab that you want to do. Often you're switching between tabs, so it's easier just to go to full screen. But you'll have to set up the microphone access. You'll have to set up camera access if you want your face to be in the video. If not, you don't need to worry about that. But you typically will want the microphone. And then the rest of these are just things you can do if you like.